So welcome back. We're going to continue graphing linear equations. Again, we're going to do another example using what we refer to as the x and y intercepts. Now remember, an x-intercept was a point on the x-axis and a y-intercept was a point on the y-axis. So an x-intercept is denoted by the ordered pair x0, where x can be any number because you can move left or right. But remember, y has to be 0 because you cannot move up or down, because if you do, you're going to be off the x-axis. And to do this, we set y equals 0 and we solve for x. Similarly, the y-intercept, we're going to use the ordered pair of 0, y. In other words, we're going to set x equals 0 and solve for y. And then we're going to graph the line by actually plotting those intercepts and drawing the line through those intercepts. So let's see what we have here. We have 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. That's our equation. And again, our directions are to graph it. And we're going to use the x and y intercepts. So the x-intercept, so I'll use that abbreviation. We're going to set 0 in for y, so it's going to be 3x minus 5 times 0 is equal to 15. And remember, since this is 0, this term essentially just falls out of the problem. So we have just 3x equals 15. And we can divide each side by 3 if we need to, but you should be able to see that x would equal 5. So 5, 0 was our x-intercept. So 5, 0 was our x-intercept. Our y-intercept, again, we have to set x equal to 0, and we're going to solve for y. See how that plays out. So we have 3 times 0 minus 5y is equal to 15. And when you multiply by 0, this term falls out. So you have a negative 5y is equal to 15. And then to get y by itself, if you need to, divide each side by negative 5. And you end up with y is equal to a negative 3. So that means our ordered pair was 0, negative 3. Since we set x equals 0, our corresponding y value would be negative 3. So 0, negative 3 would be considered the y-intercept. So graphing those ordered pairs, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0. 0, negative 3, don't go left or right, just down. And that would be our y-intercept. And to graph our line, we're just going to draw a line through those 2 points. So see if I can pull that off. So try to line up these 2 points and draw your line passing through those points. That's not too bad. And again, that would be what we call graphing linear equation. We should have a line that represents our solution. So hopefully you find that helpful. And again, a lot of stuff with linear equations. There's just so much that we do that's kind of, it actually has that linear model in our life. So we're going to continue working with linear equations for a little bit. So hang on, we got plenty more to do.